Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to MEIZU M8. Firstly, go into Play Store so sorry on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm continue and allow. Then select receive on MEIZU and send on an Android. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a long time to go, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click on got it. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on MEIZU, then select allow and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of files app, clicking on in my case pictures and tapping on. Oh, come on. Send Anywhere folder over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!